In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format your text like a pro using Trello. Whether you're managing a project for work or organizing your personal tasks, formatting can be a game changer in how you present information on your Trello boards. So let's dive right into it. To start, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Trello.com. Once the page loads, you'll see the login option at the upper right corner of your screen. Click on it to proceed. Logging into your Trello account is straightforward. You have the option to use your email, or if you prefer, you can log in via your Google account. Both methods are quick and secure, so choose the one you're most comfortable with. After logging in, you'll be taken to the Trello homepage where you can see all your boards. Your next step is to go to the boards option. Just click on it and you'll be shown a list of boards you have access to. These boards are listed under the Your Workspaces section, so keep an eye out for that header. Scroll through your workspace until you find the board you want to work within, then simply click on it. Now that you're inside your chosen board, it's time to select a card. Cards on Trello are where the action happens. Click on any one to open it up. Once inside the card, spot the description box. This is where you'll be typing your text. Just click inside the description box and start typing out the information you want to include. With your text in place, the next task is to make it stand out. Highlight the text you want to format. This is important because you can only format text that is selected. Above the text area, you will see some formatting options, a couple of tools that can help you transform basic text into a more visually appealing format. Start with the AA button, which allows you to change the text style. If you want to make certain parts of your text bold, click on the bold icon represented by a B. Looking to italicize for emphasis or style, the italic icon marked by an I will do just that. Need more options to explore? Click on the three dots, which will reveal additional formatting choices. Want to organize your text into lists? That's covered too. Click on the list icon to neatly organize your points or tasks. Finally, once you are satisfied with your formatting and content, be sure to click the Save button to save your changes. After you've completed your formatting on one board, you might want to apply similar styles across others. Simply go to your company board and repeat these steps as needed. By taking the time to format your text, you enhance not only readability, but also the professional look of your Trello boards. Thank you for watching and happy organizing.